Hey guys, welcome to HK7. My name is Amit, and in this series of videos, we're going to be learning basics for Blender. If you didn't know anything about Blender, or if you haven't worked on any modeling software before, then this series is for you guys. Now in this series, we're going to be making something like this. Showing on the screen right now. And yeah, that's a lot of fun and crazy new things for you guys, I guess. Blender can be used in many different areas like game industries, VFX, CGI and many more I didn't really know about. However, I will make games in future using Unity, so there we will use models from Blender. All the tutorials will be given in my channel, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and allow the notification with the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. All that being said, let's go to download Blender 2.8. So, head over to blender.org and go over to the download tab. Now, right now Blender 2.8 is in alpha stage, so you're gonna have to go experimental. So scroll down, go to experimental. Choose the version and operating system you would like. I'm gonna be using Windows 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit machine, you could do that. I'm gonna be going over with 64-bit. After download has been finished, close that and go to the directory where you have downloaded that file. Now, right click and extract all the files anywhere you like. I've done that in localxd, I guess. And after that, go and search for blender.exe. After launching, your Blender would be opened. Now, make sure you select with left mouse button, and I'm going to be using Blender dark theme with Blender shortcuts. Yeah, Blender. So save video settings and click anywhere on the window to close this. Now this is 3D Pivot. You're going to be doing lots of the works here. Okay, good. Now on the right hand side, you'll have the hierarchy. All the objects that will be available in the scene will be listed down there. And down below, you'll have the properties tab. Over here, you'll modify or customize all of the properties of the object, like transforms, like position, scale, rotation, materials, vertex groups, modifiers, and even if you have a camera, then you can change the focal length, render settings, all that good stuff. So this is the basic UI, and I'm not going to be going over all the UIs in this video. We're going to be learning as we go on. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be showing you in the next video. Till then, take care, signing out. Now in the next video, we're going to be doing modeling. Yeah, we will model that cup, give it a material and a color, I guess. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Till then, take care, goodbye, and please make sure you hit the subscribe button, which is below my video in red color, and also enable the bell icon, and also enable notification with the bell icon so we won't miss any of my future videos.